Number 4 is a publisher. You are required to design a bank slip for HH Old Age Secondary School using a desktop publishing software of your choice. Open a blank page, save it as your name and personal number. Let's get started. Right click, go to new, Microsoft Publisher document, Agava Peter 507, open it. This is our blank publication. Next, change the page into landscape orientation and divide it into 3 equal sections with a gap in between the 2 separate sections. So we got page design, orientation, landscape. So after putting it to landscape, you can also put it to A4 landscape. Click file, print and check. So when I go to print, you can see it is divided. Go under tiled and say 1 page per sheet. So after changing it to 1 page per sheet, so all is well, we can now save changes and start the designing process. So insert shapes. I can put my shapes. So I can start, for example, with this shape. Then I can give it a color. Then I can now hold Control and have more shapes. That one and also that. So these are the 3 shapes that we needed. So here we have divided our page. Insert dotted lines between the gaps separating each of the 3 sections. So let's put lines. Go to shapes, pick a line. We can draw a line here. I advise you to use shift so that you have a line that is clear. Go under shape outline, weight, we can say for example 3pt. Under shape outline, still you can pick dashes. Now get this very one and put it to the next gap. There we go. Then insert in the first section the name and logo of the school. So the name is HH Old Age Secondary School. So in here I can go to insert word art and I pick any of these word arts. I can say this is HH Old Days, HH Old Days, HH Old Days. I can reduce font size, maybe 32. I click OK. I bring it here. HH. Yes, something like this. Then secondary school. I insert another word art. HH secondary school. Let me take that. Secondary school. So this we can reduce, for example, let's say to 32. I click OK. So I bring it around here. So this we can even change, something like that. Then I go to insert, picture, desktop, support files. Then image folder, I can for example pick this and I put it around here. This I can go under picture format. I come around here. For example, I can change it into that kind of to be a logo. So with this I can select it and I group. So this we can group it into one. Next, they are telling us to add on the bank slip the following: a bank name, account number. So here we can have these details on our bank slip. So we can have the following details: bank name. So we can insert a text box. So we right click and add text. So here we can press enter and we write some details here. And increase font size. Here we shall need the following details: bank name. So here the person is able to tell us the bank name. So we can put lines, bank name. We shall also need details like account number of the school, account number of school. Then we can put the line. More to that, we need school fees to be paid. We can say school fees to be paid. Then can be put here. Then more to that, you can right click here, add text. You can add text, you add more text where we need at least the currency denomination in the table below. The current denomination in the table below. So here we can insert our table. Let's go to insert table. So this is our table. Denomination in shillings. So this table of ours, we can increase font size. Can increase font size. Where we have denomination. Denomination in shillings.
John Lucas Remix de Milagres Maranhão.
Then next here we have amount. Then from there we are going to list for the amount. Where we have 50,000. Then below 20,000. We have it's followed by 10,000, followed by 5,000, followed by 2,000, followed by 500, followed by 200. We also need one, which is for, you can add one, so you can insert a row below. And this one will be for 100. So here we can highlight the topmost heading and bold it. Okay, something like that. We can modify our table to be better. Table design. Here we have different designs, so you can choose any design of your choice. So for example here, I can click that. Then next, they are telling us we need to include the following on the bank slip: name of the student, class, term. So we can include this one here. So right click, add text. So we can include font size. I had used that. So we can say name of the student. Then we can put the lines. More to that, we shall need class. Then we shall need at least term. More to that, we shall need date. And last date, amount in words. So here we put amount in words.
John Lucas Remix de Milagres
After,
Maranhão.
they are telling us copy all the content of the first section to the other two sections. So this here, you need to get this. For example, here we can put all this here. Let me put it below. So we can have this move to this part here. This table, maybe we can reduce the font size a bit. Yes, and then we reduce text a bit, something like that. Can be at the end. Then here we can have the same details here. Something like that. Yes. So I think we are almost done. Next, they are telling us to save and print the banks. So here we can save changes. If you want, you can put some background color. For example, I put that background color. Then insert my head and footer. Insert head and footer. For example, I can put a footer of my name, Agava footer 507. I close. So I put the head and footer. Click file, print. So ensure that it can be printed on one page. So here is our bank series, which we have made and ready for printing. So I save changes and close the publication.